So I want to talk to you today about the Sesame Street letters. Fantastic kit here learning how to spell. Comes in a little case just like you see here. This is a little Elmo in the case, and you have to open it up, and it's super simple to learn. Here's all the alphabets right here. You can actually learn simple, basic letters, and they all just pop off right here, as you can see. They just come right off, just like you see. You just put them right here, and you can actually spell words. You can do whatever you want. You can spell how to spell that, and then underneath each letter, there's little characters from Sesame Street. You got Grover, Cookie Monster. You got all the little fun gang right here. Here's G for Grover. You got Grover right here. You can see right there. So you can spell, have a lot of fun. Take this with you and keep it all neat and together all at one time. I absolutely love this kit. My kids absolutely love it. They play with it. Fantastic. You can see here, you can take it with you all you want. The letters are super simple, high quality letters here. You have an S right there. There's Snuffleupagus. So you can have all the cool stuff. So you can do a lot of learning with this. You can learn how to spell. You can have color recognition. You can do colors. And also you can learn about the characters as well. And when you're done with it, you just close it up, take it with you, and carry it on the road. And I just wanted to bring to you. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your time.